If you are driving a diesel and suddenly see black smoke pouring out of the exhaust, or find the engine struggling to start when it is cold, you might be facing a P2296 code. This technical error means your fuel pressure regulator number 2 has exceeded its learning limits because the pressure is too low. In these high-pressure diesel systems, the powertrain control module uses a fuel pressure sensor on the rail to keep a very close watch on things. It constantly adjusts the voltage to a servo motor inside the regulator to open or close a valve, making sure the engine gets the exact amount of fuel it needs. When the system tries to relearn these settings and finds that it can't reach the target pressure even with maximum adjustment, it triggers this severe warning. Since we are dealing with extremely high pressures here, you have to be incredibly careful when working on the fuel rail. Start your troubleshooting by checking for any technical service bulletins, as diesel systems often have specific updates from the manufacturer. You will need a digital volt-ohm meter to check the ground and voltage signals at the regulator and the sensor. If you don't see any voltage, check your fuses first before you start tearing things apart. It is also possible that the engine timing is slightly off or the oil pressure is low, which can indirectly cause this code. If the electrical side looks okay, use a manual fuel pressure gauge during a key-on, engine-off test to see what is actually happening inside the rail. Often, the problem lies in a defective regulator or a faulty sensor that has drifted out of its calibration range. If you find that the regulator isn't complying with the manufacturer's specific resistance values, it is time for a replacement. Just keep in mind that a bad PCM or a programming error is rare but possible, so rule out the mechanical and wiring issues first to save yourself a lot of headache.